To the world of magic. This is Satyapriya. Now I'm a mindset coach. There was a man who used to buy the oranges from an old lady in the market. So every day he used to go to the market, he buys some oranges. So அவரோட யூஷுவல் ஹேபிட் என்னென்னா ஆரஞ்சஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் வாங்கிட்டு he'll put it in a bag and he will take one orange from it and peel it off and put one segment of the orange into his mouth. ஒரு ஆரஞ்சு எடுத்து வாயில் போட்டுட்டு he will say this is not very sweet and little bit bitter taste மாதிரி இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he will give that orange to the old lady again. So he will not ask for any exchange. அவங்கள்ட்ட கொடுத்துட்டு அவர் அப்படியே நடந்து போயிடுவார். So the old lady used to watch this every day and she used to check that orange. But நல்லா இருக்கும், ரொம்ப ஸ்வீட்டாகவே இருக்கும். ஸோ இது வந்து யூஷுவல் ப்ராக்டிஸ் அப்படி நடந்துட்டு இருந்தது. ஸோ ஒன் டே that guy's wife checked with him, I used to see the oranges are very sweet, but I don't know why you enact this drama every day. எதுக்காக இப்படி மாதிரி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? பாவம் இல்லை அந்த old lady. Why do you want to give it like that and say this is not good? At that time, he used to say, I know the oranges are very good, they are very sweet, but இந்த மாதிரி நான் பண்ணும் போது that old lady will get a chance to eat this orange without losing her money. You got that? So I just want to help her, but not exactly by giving her, saying that I can help you out, but I can do this. So this was happening, and in the old lady பக்கத்தில் ஒரு vendor இருந்தாங்க, like because it's a market, there was a vendor over there, and she used to see this drama every day, and she asked, every day this man comes and he says like that, ரொம்ப is doing some fuss and இந்த மாதிரி உனக்கு சொல்கிறாரே, உனக்கு கோவம் வரலையா, and you're keeping quiet அப்படின்னு. For that the old lady smiled and she said, I know this guy is trying to trick me. He wanted to feed me the orange, அதுக்காக தான் இதெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு, and he thinks that I don't know about it, but I know. Life's happiness, it lies in the sweet little gestures of love, affection, respect and warmth feeling of our fellow being. Giving is always joy, and not only happiness lies in money. So இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு love, care and share, when we do it for fellow being, it gives so much happiness to us. Spread love and happiness. Love yourself more. Stay blessed. Om Shanti.